I started cleaning when I was in high school with a couple buddies. Started a little cleaning company, Duffy Services, had business cards and everything, and had to deal with the troubles of getting equipment, and your friends don't show up to clean the building, so you're doing it yourself. So I definitely could see how Citywide can support somebody in that position. I actually worked for my dad for about 8 years at the franchise up in Tampa, about 6 years, and started before that as a cleaning contractor in Jacksonville. It's nice to go from a cleaning company to working on the marketing team with my dad, to working as a BDS, to working as a sales exec, to working as an FSM, to being a DOO, and then getting the opportunity to move down to Miami and start over and grow my own. The sales portion of it is what I like. Being able to not sell the same product over and over, but go out to a customer and ask them, what's going on in your building? Where do you need help? Oh, you need help with window washing? I have a guy for that. Not going out there and saying, I have a pressure washing company, can I sell you pressure washing? Because they might already have a vendor for that. Being able to help contractors grow their business, because I was in that position. Being able to walk around with a sense of purpose. Sounds a little cliche, but I wouldn't know how to do this without Citywide, and Citywide gives me the opportunity to help people and to support people.